with the Biden-Harris administration announcing move to finalize a first ever national drinking water standard, which is also involving the Environmental Protection Agency.
It is all part of a $9 billion investment through the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law. Tonight, our Caleb Yager is here in the studio with us. Caleb, how is the EPA getting involved, and what does this mean for the water quality locally?
Yeah, good evening, Mike and Eva. You mentioned the $9 billion investment. Out of that total, the EPA is contributing $1 billion to try and help states implement testing and treatments for something called PFAS at both public water systems and private wells. That includes Erie.
Craig Palmer has been in the water business for over 25 years, and as CEO of Erie Waterworks, the company has over 220,000 customers.
This is a big deal. It's a really big deal.
This was his reaction to this week's announcement from the Biden-Harris administration of a first ever national drinking water standard. The Environmental Protection Agency will be investing $1 billion as part of a total $9 billion investment in the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law to help with PFAS testing and treatment of public water systems.
You know, we just have finished our water quality report for 2023. We tested for, I believe, 29 different substances and had no detections.
Craig says that Erie Waterworks has been testing for PFAS since 2014, and they've had good results. But with these new regulations, water bills have the potential for going up.
Additional treatment technologies and things could have an impact on, the customer's rates. So we need to be in tune with that.
They are unfortunately really persistent in the environment because
Campaign manager Jenny Tompkins for Clean Water Advocacy explaining the reason why there is a big push to regulate PFAS in drinking water, which have been linked to long-term health effects.
cancer, particularly kidney cancer and testicular cancer, hormone disruption, liver and thyroid problems, thyroid disease in particular.
But Tompkins is optimistic with the new funding, as she believes it could really help the area's drinking water.
Excited to hopefully see some of that money come for Erie Waterworks to keep our water safe from PFAS over the next decade and more.
All public water systems have 3 years to complete their initial monitoring for these chemicals, and if PFAS are found at levels exceeding the standards, systems must put in solutions to reduce the chemicals within the next 5 years. Live in the studio, Caleb Yager, Erie News Now.